Hi guys, I'm Ilaria from Yakify. In the last session we learned how to build a store on Shopify, and now we're going to explain how to transform this common store in a dropshipping store. We will talk about where you can source the products that can be dropshipped to your customers, how to import them on your store, and how to build your fulfillment process. This might seem like a lot of work, but it's actually pretty easy and can be all done in just a few clicks with Yakify. Yakify is a supplier that provides you with a software that can be easily integrated with your Shopify store and that offers any kind of dropshipping products at B2B prices. Yakify will then ship them from China to more than 100 countries in the world. So let's learn how to use this software. Connect Shopify to Yakify. First of all, you need to register on yakify.com and confirm your email. Once you have entered your Yakify dashboard, just click on the Connect My Store. Now that you have connected your store, you can start importing your products. Once you have done that, every time an order arrives on your store, it will appear here in the Orders Dropshipping tab, and after the payment, it will be processed by Yakify directly. Import a product. To import a product from Yakify to Shopify, you have two options. You can choose a product from the Yakify catalog. You can ask for a quotation for a new product with the Yakify Chrome extension. Now let's see the first option. On the Yakify dashboard, you will find a tab called Products, and here you will find our catalog. Since my store sells pet accessories, I will use pet as keyword and find the available items. Here's the selection. Let's choose this item here. At this point, just click the product image and you will be redirected to the product page, where you will see the product's description, all the available variants, and a blue box on the right. Since we want to import this product on our store, we click Dropshipping, and a new page will open, where you will be able to select the variants to import on your store and select the one you don't want to be imported. Once you're done, click Next. Then you will see the shipping countries page, where you will be able to get the shipping price for your item. If you select only one country, you will have all the shipping methods and the prices available for that one country. If you select more than one country, you will get the maximum price, the minimum price, and the average between the two that you're going to pay. This will not impact on your future shipping. Tomorrow, if you decide to ship to France and you have not selected France here, it will not be a problem for a system. This will have only an impact on the price that you're going to import to your store. Now that you know the shipping rates, click Next. Now this is the pricing page. Here you will be able to modify the product variance prices according to your preferences. In the blue box on the right side, you will see the product's price, the shipping cost, and the total that you need to pay us. Under this, you will see an option where you can select your own margin percentage. Let's say you want to have a 45% profit margin on the product. In this window, you can edit it. Once you're happy with the price, click Next. This is the last window you will see before you import the products on your store. In here, you will also be able to modify the product's name, description, to choose what images you want to show on your store. In the blue box on the right, you will see a summary of everything that you have chosen so far. The full costs of the product and shipping, the product price shown on your store, and your profit. If everything looks good, you can proceed with the importation. Now you can go to your Shopify store, visit the Products tab, find the product that you have already imported, and check that everything is fine, then publish. Once you publish the product, you can actually start selling it to your customers, because Yakify will take care of the processing and of the shipping of your orders. Ask a quotation for a new product. If you did not find the product that you were looking for in our catalog, download the Yakify Chrome extension and ask for a new product quotation. It is really easy. Just click on the Download Chrome button. After installing the Chrome extension, click on the icon and log in with the same credentials that you used to register on yakify.com. Here you will see all the stores allowed. Visit one of these marketplaces and search for a product that you like. Notice that we're not going to buy products from these marketplaces, but directly from Chinese factories at B2B prices. We will use the info you send us with the Chrome extension just to understand which product you're looking for and find the same item in our huge supplier database. Thanks to our image recognition technology, we will be able to analyze your request and send back a quotation for your product price and shipping costs in real time. And now I'll show you how to do that. Find a product, for example on AliExpress, and click the icon of our Chrome extension. Then select a shipping destination, the 3 images that best match the product that you're looking for, and click the Start Search button. Now wait a few seconds. The quotation can appear right away or in a few minutes. In any case, you can still navigate to other pages and search for additional products. When the quotation is ready, you will receive a notification on your browser. At this point, you can see the results of your image recognition request visiting Quotations, Image Search. In this image search column, you will find a list of the products that you search for, and near each product a rounded symbol. If the symbol is yellow, it means that your search is not finished yet, and you need to wait a little longer. If the symbol is red, it means that the image recognition technology did not find the product that you were looking for. So just click on the product and ask for a manual quotation using this button. If the symbol is green, it means that your quotation is ready, so you can click on the product title or on details to see the result. Here you can see all the products that we found for you and choose the supplier that you prefer, considering the price, shipping cost, product variants, and click on Choose Product. In this way, you will create a new request under Quotations, Dropshipping. Visit your product page and import the product as we explained before. How the fulfillment works. Now that you have imported your products in your store, you can start selling. Every time an order arrives on your Shopify store and results as paid, as you can see here, the same order will appear inside the Yakify dashboard under Orders, Dropshipping, as you can see here. So now the customer paid the order to you, but you still need to pay the order inside Yakify to start your fulfillment process. To do that, just click on the cart icon and pay with one of the methods offered. As soon as your order is marked as paid, you need to wait from 3 to 5 processing days, after which your order will be shipped out and the tracking number uploaded on your Yakify dashboard. With Yakify, it is super easy to be always up to date with all your orders. You just need to visit your Orders tab and select the information that you need. In this page, you can easily search and sort all the paid orders, all the fulfilled or unfulfilled orders. You can find here your tracking number, the price you paid for the product and the shipping. And also, thanks to the shipping status, you can easily check out if your order is already delivered or not. If you do not want to pay your orders every day, you can just visit the e-wallet page and charge credit on your Yakify e-wallet. In this way, each time an order arrives, it will be automatically paid by our system. So in less than a day, we found our products, we imported them on our store, and we connected our fulfillment process, ready to deliver these items to our customers as soon as the first order arrives on our store. Not bad, right? But not all the products that we're going to publish on our store will be bestsellers. So watch the next video to discover how to look for trending products to sell and which tool to use to find them. I hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave us a 5-star review.